So here is an OpenCart setup tutorial for beginners. OpenCart is a free open source platform for building online stores. It offers a variety of features for customizing an online store, including multi-store creation, promotion and discount services, and product category management. So if you want to start using OpenCart, click on my link down in the description. So as you can see, we're now in the OpenCart website. Here, if you scroll down, you will get to see some information about OpenCart, such as the companies that use OpenCart and also about their modules and themes. Then, you have the payment gateways and shipping methods right here. So, you will get to see all the methods available. After that, if you keep scrolling, you will get to see some additional information. Now, let's scroll up to the top. And as you can see, you can get 7-day free trial and also a free download option. And on the top panel, you've got features, demo, marketplace, blog, download, and resources. Here, you can see some more options. So, if you already have an account, go ahead and click on Login, but we will click on Register right here. So once you're here, you need to put in all of your information, starting with your username and then first and last name. After that, your email address and country. So, scroll through the options and select your country. Lastly, you need to put in your password. Then, you need to complete this verification step for security purposes. So go ahead and finish it. So after clicking on it, it will take a few moments to load up, and you might have to do it a few more times. So once you see the success message, click on Register. Then, just wait for your account to get created. But as you can see, we've got an error message. So we will go ahead and put in a stronger password. So type in your password and make sure that it is strong enough. And once you're done, go through the verification step once again. So select the icon that they mentioned. After that, click on Register. Then you'll be redirected to this page right here. And as you can see, your account has been created. And it says you will get a verification link in your email address. So go ahead and check it out and click on Continue right here. So let's open up our email inbox. And once you're here, open the email from OpenCart. After that, click on Verify from this message right here. Then your newly created account will be verified. So wait for the next page to open up. And as you can see, our account has been successfully verified. Now, just go ahead and click on Continue. After that, you will need to log in to your account using the email address and password that you used to create the account. So after that, click on Login. But since I only used my username, it shows an error. I'll replace it with the email address and click on Login again. Then, wait for it to load up. And as you can see here, you need to set up a PIN for your account, which is a 4-digit number to protect your account. This will be used to log into your account from an unknown device, so make sure to keep it safe. Now, just go ahead and type in your 4-digit PIN. You can also click on this eye icon right here to view your PIN. Then, click on Submit. And as you can see, your account PIN has been successfully added. So here on your OpenCart account, if you scroll down, you will get to see your account details, change password, showcase, payment methods, and partner up. And below that, on the purchase section, you have your orders, your stores, rate your downloads, and your downloads. And if you scroll down further, you will see more sections. And here on the right panel, you have dashboard and other parts. And on the top panel, you have some more options. So now, go ahead and click on Account. After that, you will see these options. From here, click on Payment Methods. And as you can see, there are no payment methods added. Click on Add Payment Method and select Credit Card or PayPal. Let's go ahead and click on PayPal for now. And it says click the button to add your PayPal account to opencart.com. And as you can see, we've got a PayPal button. Go ahead and click on it. After that, from this pop-up, you will need to log in to your PayPal account, so put in your PayPal account email address. Then click on Next. And since I do not have an account, it gives me the option to sign up. So put in all of your information like your country, email, phone, and then your card type. After that, your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Then go through the next steps and click on Agree and Pay. Then click on Purchases on the right panel. After that, click on Your Orders. And on this section, you'll get to see all of your orders right here. Now, you can go ahead and click on My Downloads right here. This will show you all of your downloads, but since we have a new account, it has nothing at all. Then, let's go ahead and click on Extensions and click on Apply to become a seller. So as you can see, it gives you the option to register for a seller account. Now, just go ahead and fill in all of your information. Put in your name, email address, phone number, and your website. Then, scroll down further to payment information. From here, you can select your payment methods. And you have the options to sign up on the right side. And once you're done, you need to put in your payment email. After that, scroll down further and you will get to see the option to add your address. So fill up all of the details and then choose your country. Scroll through the list and select whichever one that you're residing in. After that, you need to select your region or state. Now, on the seller preferences, you can set the purchase notification right here. After that, you have Seller API. Here, select Yes or No. Then, you need to put in your API URL. Now go ahead and click on Submit after agreeing to the terms and conditions. Now, we will scroll up to the top and click on Cloud. And as you can see, there are some more options. Now, let's click on Dashboard. So from the Dashboard section, let's click on Your Stores from the Purchases section. Then wait for it to load up. And on this section, you will be able to see your registered stores. You can also click on Add Store to add a new store. Here, just put in your domain name of your store. This way, you can type in the URL of any of your store and click on Submit. But we will go ahead and go back to our dashboard. Now, let's scroll down to the bottom and click on Invoices. And this is where you will get to see all of your invoices. And these were all of the basic tools that you will need in order to start using OpenCart. So go ahead and click on my link in the description to get started with your 7 days free trial. And that is OpenCart Setup Tutorial for Beginners.